Pokémon cards are made. What if I told you that every second, hundreds of Pokémon cards are born inside a hidden factory far from your eyes? By the end of this video, you'll see how a simple sketch becomes a shimmering rare card and why some fetch millions. Stick around because at minute 7, I'll drop the exact print speed per minute that will blow your mind. Concept and design. It all begins in Tokyo. Inside the headquarters of Creatures Incorporated, an idea is born. A new Pokémon set, a new meta shift, a new story to tell. Designers, artists, and strategists gather. They brainstorm type matchups, synergistic themes, even seasonal or anime tie-ins. They sketch dozens, sometimes hundreds of possible Pokémon, attacks, abilities, and visuals. This isn't just art. Behind each card, there's a dance of balance, lore, power curves, and meta impact, selection, and balancing. From that pile of ideas, only a fraction advance. Marketing says, this one will sell. The game team says, that one is unbalanced. They debate, which characters are due for a comeback? Which types need counters? For each card, they write numbers, hit points, energy costs, weaknesses, effects. They simulate, what if this card runs on turn 1? What if it combos with that trainer? Everything is pushed towards synergy without breaking the game. But many cards won't survive playtesting. Stay with me in seconds, we'll see the brutal filters they face. Playtesting and revision. Here's where the pressure is real. Prototype decks emerge, cards still in flux. Internal testers, sometimes dozens of them, pit these prototypes against each other in simulated matches. They push, abuse combos, look for infinite loops, check for dead draws, edge cases. If a card is too weak, they rework it. Too strong? It's chopped or rebalanced. Some designs with wild mechanics never make it. They leak once in a while, and rumors circulate of cards that could have rewritten the rules mid-match. If it survives this crucible, then comes the real gatekeepers. Approval and gating. Even after playtesting, a card isn't guaranteed. It must be approved by the Pokémon Company International and Nintendo. These gatekeepers evaluate branding, legal, consistency with other media, games, anime, etc. Only after their thumbs up does a card officially move to production. Now the dream becomes real, printing and foiling. Now we enter the mechanical heart of the process. Giant printing presses the size of football fields hum to life. Each sheet, composed of 121 card layouts in an 11x11 grid, is printed in full color using CMYK. But how do they make holographic and ultra-rare finishes? They use cold foil stamping. A thin metallic foil is pressed onto selective zones before UV curing. Then UV lamps cure the ink, sealing the foil in place. That shimmer? That's pure engineering artistry. In 2023, the company printed 11.9 billion cards, the highest ever. In 2024, 10.2 billion. But even a sheet that looks perfect can hide danger. Cutting and error anomalies. Sheets roll off the presses, but they're not ready yet. High-speed industrial cutters align and slice them into single cards in seconds. A misalignment of 0.5 millimeters? That's an error. You get misprints, double images, off-center borders. These mistakes fascinate collectors. Some rare error cards command premium prices. There are shoppers who hunt flaws as eagerly as they hunt rare pulls. Quality control and rejection. Now the hardest filter. Quality control. Advanced imaging systems and human inspectors scan thousands of cards per hour. They look for every imperfection. Off-center cuts, foil smudges, ink bleeds, curling corners or micro creases. Even a faint flaw can condemn a card. Batches sometimes get shredded entirely. Perfection is non-negotiable. Packaging and randomization. If a card survives, it moves to packing. High-speed machines assemble booster packs, usually 10 or 11 cards per pack, distributed as 6 commons, 3 uncommons, 1 rare or above, maybe an energy or trainer card. Then the magic. Random inserts foil variants, promo cards, secret rare Charizards. Each pack is sealed in tamper-proof metallic foil and heat-pressed airtight. Then packs go into booster boxes, shrink-wrapped, crated, and prepped for shipping. Global distribution and logistics. These boxes aren't staying in Japan. Pokémon cards are localized in 16 languages and distributed to over 90 countries. Crates ship from regional warehouses to game stores, big retailers, and online platforms. Release days are synchronized globally. Embargoes ensure no early leaks, spoilers, or unfair advantages. During peak months, around 32 million cards are produced and shipped per day. Rarity systems and pull rates. Let's dig into rarity, the part collectors live for. Each card uses symbols to denote rarity. Common equals black circle. Uncommon equals black diamond. Rare equals black star. Holo rare equals foil art. Secret rare equals gold, rainbow, alternate art. What are the odds of getting a rainbow rare? Roughly 1 inch 70 packs, sometimes even lower. People have opened hundreds or thousands of packs chasing one single card. Famous cards and value stories. Let's pause for a moment because this is where the passion meets real money. Take the Illustrator Pikachu, originally part of a Japanese art contest in 1998. In 2022, it sold for $5.275 million USD, one card. Yes, one piece of cardboard, executed beautifully, commanding more than some houses. That's why collectors do what they do. Final reflections and CTA. From a sketch in a Tokyo studio to a card in your hand, what we just walked through is a journey of art, engineering, and impossible precision. The next time you open a pack, take a moment and think, that rare card in your hand survived more filters than an Olympic competitor. And whether your pull is common or ultra rare, it carries with it the work of hundreds of creators, testers, machinists, inspectors, logisticians. If you learned something new, hit like, share, and subscribe. That tells me you want more behind-the-scenes breakdowns. Comment below. What should I dismantle next? How are chocolate bars, concert stages, or shoes made? I'll pick your most upvoted idea for the next deep dive. I'm the Factory Line, and this is how Pokémon cards are made.